It is like a squad out here. Holy shit. We got a Rallybacker V2, Rallybacker V2, Rocket Bunny V1. What up?
Did you break your mic?
No, it's in my car. I just haven't put it on.
Damn.
Rocket Bunny, is that a V1?
Yeah.
V1. What's up, bro?
What's up, man?
How you doing, man?
Pretty good.
What's up, bro? Devin. Car's looking good. Almost matchy here. How you doing?
He's like, is that Dustin Williams? What's up?
How you doing?
Good.
What's up, man?
Hey, what's up, Devin?
What up, what up? What's up, bro? Fucking everybody's out here.
Dude, it's lit. This spot's dope.
We got Jordan's pile of shit. Sorry if I got get in your way a little bit. Monster Energy repping out here. About to do Red Bull rap on my car.
Oh, dude.
How sick would that be?
Red Bull turned me down, so that's like legit turned me down, and that's why I went Monster.
Really?
Yeah, fun fact.
That's
I
funny.
actually went into Monster, and they were like, dude, dirt bikes only. And I'm like,
You actually went there?
yeah,
Today?
dead ass.
No way. That's lit.
See it on my YouTube channel, 3 Cities YouTube channel.
I just got a really good video idea though. NA FRS versus Boosted FRS. Freeway. Let's do it tonight. You down?
Dude, you'll catch me in the very back because my stuff will be like this, like driving.
Would he be down? You think
You know
so?
who'd win.
No, I know. Well, no shit.
I mean, you're power shift, you know.
Just for YouTube though, you know what I'm saying?
Exactly.
This thing's clean as fuck, dude. This is originally like what my car was gonna be. A V1 on 4-star F14s. Is that funny?
Throw back to my build, bro.
Right?
I think we all wanted to go V1 with 4-star F14.
It looks so clean though, dude. I can't regret doing what I did.
I love your shit though.
Do you?
I can't wait for the new color.
I got more plans, bro.
I know.
I got big shit coming.
LS Walk.
Holy shit, we got another one. What's up, man? Devin. Ricky. Good to meet you, bro. Every time we go somewhere, bro, we got fucking cops rolling up. Every single time.
You're like, we're not doing anything illegal.
Who is this man?
You got enough downforce or what?
No, I don't think so.
What are you guys doing?
Just taking photos of these cars. So this car right here has the Craftswork, I can't freaking talk, the Craftswork turbo kit on it. And I just talked to him. We're gonna go on the freeway, do a few little pulls out here in Mexico. So it should be pretty fun. My Stock FRS versus a Craftswork kit, that should be fun. I think this thing makes about 100 more horsepower than a Stock FRS VRZ. A Stock FRS on the dyno makes like 168. I know they're rated at 205 or whatever factory rating that's on the crank though. And on the dyno at the wheels, they make about 168 to 170. Look at this lineup though, for real. Very, very clean V1, Rocket Bunny, V2 Rallybacker, V2 Rallybacker, and then Jordan's V3 Rocket Bunny. And then over there we have a stock body FRS as well. Such a sick lineup tonight. I'm glad I came out. How much faster do you think a turboed FRS is over mine?
So, with like, okay, for instance, like Louis,
Yeah.
he has the Craftsworks, all right? I know a little bit about the Craftsworks, all right? He's probably making about 280, all right?
Yeah, that's...
I think if you do your power shifts, but I don't know how Louis shifts, and you shift pretty damn good.
Yeah, I try, bro.
So
in that car, at least.
Yeah.
Everyone fucking hate... Do you see that video versus the AMG?
Yes.
Evo fucking trannies suck, dude. They fucking suck.
Dude, that was so...
I got roasted so hard on that video.
I'm surprised you let that part in.
Dude, I'm just a fucking real person, just like
Yeah.
anybody else. I don't claim to be a pro driver.
Right.
I mean, not an Evo. They're...
Right. I know.
Yeah.
I was like, oh my god, I can't believe you did that. I was
Yeah.
surprised you weren't cut. You kept so cool when that happened.
Yeah.
But honestly, if you went against Louis' car, it'd be close.
You think so?
I think it'd be kind of close. Just because, I don't know, it's a supercharger. It would definitely get you out the line, but...
Oh, the supercharged?
Yeah, supercharged.
I thought it was turbo. I don't know why.
Supercharged. He has,
Oh,
a,
okay.
he has a Craftswork.
Okay, yeah. My bad then, guys.
I think he'll take it.
Alright.
In the long end. In the long end. Hey. There's hope.
There's hope. You got some fire out here, bro? Oh, what? Oh, hold up. Damn. Where can they find you at, bro? On the gram. DeBreezy?
At DeBreezy.
Alright. Yeah, you guys already know. He'll be tagged on the screen. What's your Instagram, bro?
At aspect.raw.
Aspect.raw. You guys saw these guys the other night. Best photographers in the game right here. These two guys right here. What's up, Renz?
What's up?
What's your favorite car here, bro?
Oh, that's tough.
That's tough. Putting you on the spot, man.
That is tough. I don't know.
You don't know? Mine's honestly the Rocket Bunny V1. It's so fucking clean. I love it.
Everyone's is so unique.
Yes, that's true. Look at this dude out here creating fire. Check it out. Bam. Look at that shot, though. Go follow this dude on Instagram at
Renz.jpg.
Renz.jpg. Yes. What's your favorite car here? Like, honestly. It can be yours.
I have to say mine,
Yours?
to be honest.
It's just so new and fresh.
It's so fresh. I don't know, dude. That's
Yeah.
so hard. But if it's not my car, I I know. I've already seen your car a whole lot. I'll say Louis.
Yeah. No, the white one? That's my favorite car here.
Louis is so sick.
Who's this man? Dude, I can't even film this car. It's so freaking dark.
There's cameras all over.
He's like, what the fuck? What's up, bro? How you doing, man?
Wow, you go see him first? I haven't seen you in fucking ages, bro.
When she was turning, she was laughing.
I know. I'm gonna talk to these fuckers on here. I'm gonna film all this just in case anything happens. Hey, do you guys know that lady that just ran my camera over?
Nah, fuck no. She was
Bro.
just right there posted, and then we caught some tagging.
Yeah.
And I think they're like from somewhere or something because they seen us tagging, and they just.
Oh, dude.
And then that's why I was like, oh, they're probably my enemies or something, you know? That's why I was like, hey, Trip out, look at their bouncy now, you know?
Yeah.
But yeah, I don't know.
What was that?
Did they run over something?
Yeah, my camera.
We seen it. We thought they were gonna hit one of y'all. I was like, oh, there they
Yeah,
go.
like,
Like someone in like white was like walking right there. I was like, oh damn.
Yeah. Yeah, at least it's the camera, not one of us.
Obviously there was something wrong with them to burn off like that.
Yeah.
I was like, oh.
Alright, well,
But
appreciate you guys.
On your trip, y'all stay safe. Fool.
See you, man.
Watch out for the cars with no lights.
Definitely.
Fucking black thing right there.
Yeah.
Like, we got lights everywhere right there. You know what I mean?
That was trippy as hell. Alright, brother. What's the story? What just happened?
Alright, so I'm gonna start from back to square one. Literally, we were just hanging out, you and I were talking, and then everyone's like, yo, there's a car coming. And we look back and this is a lady, it's a Toyota Corolla looking thing. I'll make sure we're not gonna get domed by a car. But she had no lights on, and then we're like screaming, hey, hey, hey! And your camera was on my tripod that's now toasted, and she straight up hit that shit and ran it over. And then Devin starts going and says, hey, like starts screaming, runs and tries to bust her freaking window. Dude, I'm in shock.
Yeah, bro, I'm like
what-
shaking still. I'm like
What the hell just happened? Yeah, this shit's all bad. Like,
Yeah.
I'm just glad your camera's fine.
Bro, somehow my camera's still fine. I have no clue how, because she literally fucking ran this thing over. Camera's still fine. Thankfully, it didn't hit one of us or one of the cars or anything. It's just the camera. It fucked up my lens a little bit, which is like $400 lens, not a big deal. But yeah, holy fuck, she must have been on some like drugs or some shit, because that was crazy, guys. That was crazy. I know you probably wouldn't believe me, so I had to have Jordan like tell the story, because you guys probably wouldn't believe me if I told you. But there's proof right there.
Yeah, there's like 10 of us out here.
Yeah, tripods. We went and talked to all the guys down there where she was hanging out, and they didn't know who she was apparently, so I have nothing to do about it. Whatever. Thankfully, it's just the camera or lens though, not a human.
Like we legit could have been seriously hurt or killed.
Yeah, fine. Whatever. We're still gonna go race though. Supercharged.
I gotta get out of here soon.
Are you dipping out?
Yeah, because I'm staying with that buddies. I don't want to, keep them up all night.
Are you still down to do some pulls? Let's do it, man. I want to see how much faster it is than mine. Drive it? I would love to, man. I'm so down. Let's do it. All right, so Louis actually offered to drive his car, so we're gonna go on a drive real quick. I was saying earlier it's a turbo car, but it's actually a supercharger. So I'm really curious to see how it feels versus a naturally aspirated car. So this is a ForceWorks kit, right?
Huh?
ForceWorks kit?
Craftworks.
Craftworks, yeah. Craftworks. Dude, it feels good though. Yeah, it definitely makes a lot more power.
I was gonna say the bridge, but
dude, this feels so much better than my car. I feel like stock, there's like a massive power dip somewhere.
there is the torque dip.
Yeah, it's so annoying, man. To see how much faster it is than my car, like on the highway. Hell yeah, man, I appreciate it. Yeah, it seems fun. After driving Louis' car, that definitely makes me want to get like some sort of boost on my car. Fuck, I'm scared this guy's gonna hit me. Either a turbo or a supercharger. Guys, that thing is so fun. So much fun. We're gonna go on the highway right now, do a few pulls and compare, see how much faster it is over a naturally aspirated FRS. Unfortunately, I don't have anybody film for me, so I'm just gonna throw the head mount on with the GoPro, and so it's not gonna be the best quality in the world, but you guys will still get the point. Let's do this.
Later, bro.
Later, man.
I'll see if I can meet up with you.
Okay.
Before you leave.
Yeah, definitely. Let me know.
Yeah.
Shoot me a DM.
Later, man.
Hey, see you, bro.
Nice seeing you again, man.
You too. Jesus, that thing is gonna smoke my car. I think he's at least 90, 100 horsepower more than I am, and a lot more torque than I am. This car is 100% stock, motor-wise. Jesus fuck. So good too. Oh, I need boost for mine so bad. Holy shit! Oh, backfire too. Wait, we got, is this turbo dome behind me? Oh my gosh, it's so funny. So much faster than mine. I think that would definitely beat a stock WRX as well. God damn, that's so sick. Go down in the comment section below. Let me know, turbo or supercharger on this FRS. That car supercharged with the Craftswork supercharger. I think I was saying ForceWorks earlier. But yeah, Craftswork supercharger. I don't know. Turbo just sounds so damn good though. Alright, well, we got like 8 FRSs, so we're gonna go cruise. Hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Make sure you go follow him on Instagram. I'll throw his IG on the screen, at Louis86. Super clean Rocket Bunny V1 build. Oh, damn. Here's the supercharger, that Boosted FRS. Ooh, a Genesis. Holy fuck. What was that? Oh, here goes a Genesis in the Genesis Turbo FRS, Supercharged FRS. And we gotta sign up TC. Get the fuck out of here, TC. Alright, let's see if this turbo one will run me. Fuck, these guys out here haul ass. Jesus. You wanna go TC or Genesis? Oh, alright. It's like me versus Bobby. Alright. These two are gonna go again. Supercharged FRS versus a Genesis coupe. Oh shit, FRS is beating him. And that Genesis isn't stock either, I see. Like a 3-inch turbo or a catback on it. Alright. Turbo HKS Turbo FRS versus the Genesis coupe. See if they can run. Keep up with these guys! the slowest dude here. See you, bro. What a good night. Good night, good night. Surprised my camera still works. I really wish someone would have filmed that when my freaking camera got hit by that car, but nobody filmed that. But it's still in good shape, except for my lens is all fucked up. But it still works. So yeah, I guess it answers the question: how much faster is a supercharged or boosted FRS versus a NA? Hell of a lot faster, guys. Like 100 horsepower in a 2,800 pound car makes a huge freaking difference when you're going from like 160 to 260 horsepower. It's crazy. So fun to drive. Definitely not definitely, but I really, really want to boost this thing in the future now. Like that completely changed my mind about how fun these cars are to drive. Like brings the fun factor back into it, especially after you wide body it, throw big ass wheels and tires on it. Yeah, you need some power out of these things. I'm gonna end this video here though. Really hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching. If you did, go down below, smash that thumbs up button. I'll see you in the next video.